Hello tech lover, I welcome you all to Tech with Bumi. Today is going to be about product review on the UBeesize Self Ring Light with a tripod stand. So watch this to the end and enjoy the video. Thank you. If you are serious about taking your videos or your presentation to the next level, then you need this USB Self Ring Light with tripod stand. So disclaimer, if you want to purchase this product, I'll put the link in the description box. Kindly click on it. Be free to click on it because it's an affiliate link with Amazon, and Amazon is going to pay me a commission if you purchase from it. So thank you. So if you're getting serious about recording videos for your YouTube, TikTok, or professional looking pictures for Instagram, you need to invest in a decent lighting. Next to your camera, lighting can have the biggest impact on your video looks. Low light can lead to grounding, unusual image, which means you need to waste time reshooting. Ring light occasionally cause a whole light, are circular and have a cutout in the middle. The shape of two big benefit over a regular light rig. First, it diffuses light over wide area. So why not purchase this? It's very affordable, okay? Very affordable. So the UB, there's never going to be a one size fits all products in any category. I'll be putting different inches in the description box, so you just choose the one you have. It has 3000K warm light and 4500K cool light, 6000K daylight, and its setting has 11 levels of brightness, which gives you extremely fine control over your lighting. Its tripod stand between 17 inches and 17.5 inches and 51 inches. So why not check this out and subscribe to my channel, share this to someone that needs this tripod. Thank you for watching. Bye.